Hi, welcome to 149 West 3rd Avenue, a beautiful Mediterranean-style condo in downtown San Mateo. Come on in, let's take a look. The unit features 2 bedrooms with an office space, 2 full bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen, three balconies, and it's a newer construction property built in 2005. There's 2-car secure parking and a large storage unit as well. The location's fantastic because of the high walkability to all the shops and restaurants in downtown San Mateo, in particular 3rd Avenue and 2nd Avenue. A couple of my favorite spots are Backhaus Bakery and the Italian restaurant Pausa. You're also close to Central Park. There's easy access to Caltrain, SFO, and Highway 101. I hope you enjoyed the tour today. Please reach out if you'd like any more information about this great property. Until next time, make it a great day.